The automotive industry's most expensive engine disasters just got exposed, and every car buyer needs to see these catastrophic failure costs before choosing their next vehicle. While manufacturers promise reliability and efficiency, they're engineering complex systems that become financial death traps the moment warranty coverage expires. We're talking about engine problems that cost more than most cars are worth. According to documented repair costs, owner testimonials, and dealership service records, these engine failures range from $3,000 to over $12,000 in repair bills. This isn't just about inconvenience. This is about manufacturers designing planned obsolescence into critical engine components. These aren't random mechanical failures. These are systematic engineering problems affecting millions of vehicles across multiple model years, with manufacturers knowing about the issues but continuing production. In this video, you're about to witness the brutal financial reality of modern engine complexity gone wrong. I'll show you exact repair costs, specific model years to avoid, and why dealerships profit from non-repairable engine designs. Let's count down the 5 worst engine problems that will bankrupt you in 2025. And don't forget, all sources and documentation for everything we're covering today are linked in the first comment below. Number 5. Volkswagen Audi 2.0T timing chain tensioner failure. According to DAP Repair and multiple automotive service centers, Volkswagen and Audi 2.0T TSI engines from 2008 to 2015 suffer from catastrophic timing chain tensioner failures that destroy entire engines. The affected models include Golf GTI, Jetta, Passat, A4, A5, TT, and Q5 with engine codes CCTA, CBFA, CAEB, and CPMA. According to Shop DAP, when the timing chain tensioner fails, intake and exhaust valves collide with pistons while the engine is running. According to Paul's Motorcar Service, this collision causes valve damage requiring cylinder head replacement, with repair costs ranging from $3,000 to $4,000 depending on internal damage. The tensioner design uses a spring-loaded mechanism with a locking pawle that fails, causing complete loss of chain tension. According to Alex's Auto House, the hydraulic tension system fails suddenly, causing the car to lose power or lurch before complete engine shutdown. The repair requires headwork, valve replacement, and complete timing component replacement. According to Audi complaints, this problem became so widespread that class action lawsuits forced Volkswagen Audi to extend warranties and offer settlement programs. The EA888 engine's timing chain system was fundamentally flawed in early generations. The financial reality, a $150 preventive tensioner replacement versus $3,000 to $4,000 engine rebuild costs. Most owners discover the problem only after catastrophic failure occurs. Number 4. GMA FMDFM lifter collapse. 5.3 liter and 6.2 liter V8 engines. According to GM Authority and documented owner experiences, General Motors' active fuel management and dynamic fuel management systems cause systematic lifter failures across millions of vehicles from 2014 to present. According to Pickup Truck Talk, the affected vehicles include Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade with 5.3 liter and 6.2 liter engines. Lifter failures typically occur between 50,000 to 100,000 miles, with some newer models failing under 10,000 miles.
The rockers back and forth, which are opening and closing the valves.
According to On All Cylinders, the AFM system deactivates cylinders during light load conditions, causing oil pressure fluctuations that destroy hydraulic lifters. When lifters collapse, they bend push rods and can damage camshafts. According to Pickup Truck Talk, repair costs range from $1,000 to $6,000 depending on damage extent. One owner reported 6,100 Canadian or $4,500 US for lifter replacement on a 2015 Sierra with only 38,631 miles. According to Intel Waters RC Boating Forum, the passenger side lifters wear out first due to AFM-DFM switching between V8 and 4-cylinder modes. The constant activation and deactivation creates excessive wear on hydraulic components. According to GM Authority's Service Bulletin, GM released updated lifter parts for 2021 model year vehicles, acknowledging the systematic failure problem. However, the fundamental AFM-DFM system remains unchanged. The financial reality: AFM delete systems cost $200 to $400 but void warranties. Failed lifters require engine teardown with costs reaching $6,000 or more, depending on secondary damage. Number 3. Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost timing chain, stretch and water pump failure. According to newparts.com and Ford technical documentation, first-generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost engines from 2010 to 2016 suffer from timing chain stretch that leads to catastrophic engine failure. According to the Lemon Law experts, the affected models include F-150, Explorer, Taurus SJO, and Flex with the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. The long single timing chain design creates excessive stress, causing individual chain links to wear beyond tolerance. According to SHO forum owner reports, one 2013 Explorer Sport owner reported timing chain failure at 120,000 miles despite proper maintenance. According to Automotive Magic, the water pump runs off the timing chain, creating a cascade failure problem. When the water pump fails, it can damage the timing chain. When the timing chain stretches, it can damage the water pump. According to Copilot Search, symptoms include rattling noises during startup, check engine lights, and rough idling. The repair requires significant engine teardown, with costs exceeding $2,000 even for DIY repairs due to specialized tools required. The financial reality: preventive timing chain replacement costs $2,000 to $3,500. Waiting for failure can result in complete engine replacement exceeding $8,000. Number 2. Direct injection carbon buildup, multiple manufacturers. According to the Lemon Law experts and automotive service centers, direct injection engines across all manufacturers suffer from intake valve carbon buildup that requires expensive cleaning procedures. The problem affects Ford EcoBoost, GM EcoTech, Volkswagen Audi TSI, BMW N54 N55, and Mercedes M276 engines. According to New German Performance, direct injection bypasses intake valves, preventing fuel from cleaning carbon deposits. According to Copilot Search, carbon buildup causes reduced power, rough idling, misfires, and increased fuel consumption. The deposits physically block airflow into combustion chambers. The financial reality: walnut blasting every 60,000 to 80,000 miles costs $400 to $800.
Now I can turn on the vac and start blasting it.
Ignoring the problem leads to valve damage requiring cylinder headwork costing $2,000 to $4,000. Number 1. Subaru CVT chain stretch and control valve failure. According to Subaru forum documentation and dealership service records, Subaru CVT transmissions suffer from systematic chain stretch and control valve failures that require complete transmission replacement. According to Subaru Outback forums, CVT failures typically occur between 80,000 to 120,000 miles across Outback, Crosstrek, Forester, and Legacy models from 2013 to present. One 2013 Outback owner faced an $8,600 dealer replacement quote at 162,000 miles. According to the Lemon Law experts, Subaru CVT replacement costs range from $7,500 to $8,600 at dealerships. The non-serviceable design means individual components cannot be repaired. Only complete replacement is possible. According to Subaru Crosstrek forums, common failure modes include chain stretch beyond specification, control valve body malfunction, and pump failure. One Crosstrek owner reported winding noises leading to complete CVT replacement at 63,000 miles for $8,000. According to Bob is the Oil Guy forum, independent transmission shops refuse CVT repairs because individual components aren't available. The cartridge design forces complete replacement rather than component level repair. According to Subaru Outback forums, extended warranty companies exploit maintenance confusion to deny coverage. One owner's warranty claim was denied despite following official Subaru maintenance schedules. The financial reality: CVT replacement costs of $7,500 to $8,600 often exceed vehicle values on high-mileage Subarus. The non-repairable design makes this the most expensive routine failure on our list. The systematic engineering problem. These aren't isolated mechanical failures. They represent fundamental engineering decisions that prioritize short-term efficiency over long-term reliability. According to documented patterns across multiple manufacturers, complex systems like timing chains, variable displacement, direct injection, and CVT transmissions create expensive failure points exactly when warranty coverage expires. The common thread: manufacturers engineer systems that cannot be economically repaired at independent shops, forcing customers toward expensive dealership replacements or vehicle disposal. Consumer protection strategy. Understanding these systematic problems changes purchase decisions entirely. According to repair cost analysis, buyers must budget for these failures or choose vehicles without problematic systems. Avoid first-generation implementations of new technology. Choose naturally aspirated engines over turbocharged when possible. Select traditional automatics over CVT systems. Budget $3,000 to $8,000 for major engine transmission work on complex modern powertrains. The financial reality: modern automotive complexity creates systematic expensive failures. These aren't bugs, they're features of engineering systems designed for short-term efficiency rather than long-term affordability. Which of these engine disasters have you experienced? Share your repair costs and dealer experiences in the comments below. Remember, I'm here exposing the financial realities that manufacturers won't explain, because your money deserves better than engineered obsolescence disguised as innovation.